This is our 11-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine. It's a digital model and it is made out of stainless steel from the inside and the outside as well. It comes with a digital temperature controller and a digital timer. The maximum timer is settable up to 99 minutes and the maximum temperature which we can attain is up to 80 degrees Celsius. This is the basket which comes along with the machine. The size of the basket is 10.5 inches in length, 8.5 inches in width and 4 inches in depth. The machine comes with a stainless steel top lid cover. The size of the machine is 12 inches in length, 9.5 inches in width and 6 inches in depth. This machine also comes with a drain valve. After the cleaning is done, you can just release the drain valve and take the water out.